Hello friends, welcome back to another video. So in this video today I want to be making natural face pack, in other words organic face mask. Okay, so as you can see I have this breakout spots, pimples, although it's been a while, although I've not been attending to my face like I used to, because I have been I have not been using what I've been using on my face, because not been attending to my face like I used to before. And then I have not made face cream for my face, although there was this face cream I was using, and Duchess Paris. I was using this face cream, it was very good on my face, but I just stopped using it because at the moment I've not been using my products that I use on my skin, so my face is like this at the moment. But I want to start of get back to what I've been using before. But before doing that, I want to apply this natural face mask, or this organic face mask. So I'll be sharing with you guys, and I will apply it and then you will see for yourself, because this face mask is very good. It's going to revive my face, the face I used to have. It will bring it back, okay, because it's going to open up the pores of the skin. It's going to tighten up the pores of the skin, and it's going to give my face back the glow that I've lost for some time. And then I've been consuming groundnuts all these days, so I could not resist it, because we have groundnut at home, and then I could not resist it, and I've been feeding on it. And so this is the result, like having these pimples, these black spots, like this very one. I hardly get them because I know what I use on my face that keep away all these things on my face. But since I came back from the hospital, I've been too lazy to resume with my products. I've just been doing things that are very easy. I've just been doing things that are just comfortable. But today I want to resume completely. Okay, guys. So as I'm resuming, I'm going to start up with an organic face pack, because that will be the first thing that will open the pores of my skin and tighten up the pores as well, and then give me a natural glow, so that when I start using my products are going to work. Okay, so what I'll be using, I'll be showing you, and I'll be telling you the uses and the benefits that my skin will get from using it. Okay, so let's go into doing that right away. This is the main ingredients for mask, but these two that I'm adding, they are extra benefits to the skin. That's why I'm combining them, because I want to have a full organic face care. Okay, guys, so what I'll be doing now is I'm going to take part of the bentonite clay, which is the main mask. You can take as much as you want, that you know it will be enough to go around your face and your neck. So this is what I have. I almost took everything because I almost took everything because I want to use it both my face and my neck. Okay, so what bentonite clay does is it tightens up the skin. It's remove impurities on the skin. It removes black and white heads on the skin. It's an anti-aging clay. so it's very good for masking. So I'm going to keep this one away, and then so now to go adding the turmeric, I'm just going to go for the little quantity of the turmeric. Okay, this is enough. Is this full spoon? Then I'm going to go and get little of the cinnamon. Little of the cinnamon is enough. Okay, it's just that you just need little of it, you don't need much of it. Okay guys, so we're going to keep this away. So I'm going to go mixing them to just make sure that everything is mixed together. Go ahead to use my rose water. So guys, here is my rose water. I have my rose water in here. I'm going to go ahead, although this is the pinkish rose water, it's not the white rose water, because there's white rose water and then there's pink rose water. It's turning out to be liquidy. If you don't want it to be very liquidy, you can add more of the bentonite clay. That's the only thing that you can add at the moment, but as it is, it's, for me, I like this. I like it being not too much thick, so that I can be able to spread it everywhere that I want. Okay guys, so this is what we have. You can mix it very well. Okay guys, make sure that everything is mixed very well. So this is what we have. So I'm going to go applying it and then show you the results. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Okay guys, this is the result. Okay, normally if you're applying mask on your face, if it is chemically based mask, you're not meant to apply it at this area. You are meant to leave this area, this eye area. But because this is organic and is natural, I can apply it anywhere. It will help to repair that area. So why I apply it around this place, because of my eye. I shouldn't have like that eye cycle, although I did not apply everywhere. You should be careful with your eye, not to let it go into the eyes. So that's why I apply like that. You can see the yellowish color of turmeric. Yes, you are not meant to apply it on your lips, but you can because it's natural. But for me, because I'm using the lips to talk, I don't want to apply it on it. So you can see, so you're going to let it to stay for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, then you wash it off and you can moisturize your face, right? So this is the end of today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. I'll see you again in another video. Bye.